Yeah, hi Mark, it's Mark at FMAV. Okay, to let you know that I've done your part for you. This is your part there. See that? Okay, so basically, what I've done is the micro switch was sticking. So basically, when the motor runs up, it makes like a noise. Maybe you've heard that, maybe you haven't. I've given it a good clean for you on the cogs. You know, they're still quite tight. There's not, you know, there's not an issue there. You know, that's sort of really near, if you get what I mean. So it should last you, you know, many more years. What I did find with your laser though is a lot of rust. Well, I've got it here. I don't know whether you can see that, but it's quite rusty. So I'm guessing that some stage that this jukebox has been outside in a garage or something, and it's got wet. Well, not wet, sorry. It's got damp. And when it gets damp, it's not any good for that laser, and they tend to just break down. So hopefully you can get that sorted out this time and make sure there isn't anything wrong there. Yeah, I mean the part is a new part, but it's had a lot of work on that part. You know, it's had a lot of wear on there. But as you can see, I'm going to put it on, and we're all good to go. So let me just turn that music up. And you can hear it playing there. This is a really old CD. It's scratched to bits, but it does, you know, prove it works, because if this one can play anything basically. So you can hear it playing. So hopefully you're happy with this, and I'm going to get that in the post for you tomorrow. Okay, so that'll be sent out signed for delivery, and you should get that. You got a 6-month warranty on that. On the part that I've replaced only, I can't warrant other parts because, you know, that's totally out of my control. So yeah, if you get any problems with that laser within 6 months, you know, we'll replace it free of charge. No worries at all. So yeah, thank you ever so much for your business. I do appreciate it. And if you ever need anything else, just give me a call. Cheers, Mark.